Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add a menu in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to make this possible, we need to head over and scroll down to our left sidebar until we can see the option for appearance. Here's appearance right here, and then from there you can see the option for menus. So click on this menus right here, and then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see this. So you can edit out the menus that you have. As of right now, I have 3 menus, which is footer, home, and social. Now, if you want to add a new menu, click on this create a new menu right here. And then you should be able to see the menu structure. So put in here a menu name. For example, for the smallest name this summer. And then add in here a menu settings. It can be a desktop expanded menu or a mobile menu that you want it to be. For example, let's make this a mobile menu and click on this create menu right here. And then once you have done that, it will actually create this particular menu. Now, once it's been created, you can add some menu items. So you can add pages, posts, template builder, testimonials, and a lot of this. So for example, for this, let's head over and add some pages. Let's try to add this nature, summer category, as well as the checkout page, cart page, and shop page. Now, once you have checked that, click on this add to menu right here. And then you should be able to see that this one has been added. Now you can also install some WP icons or some plugins that can help you add icons for this one. So you can click on this plus icon right here. I am using WP menu icons, and you can choose icons that you want to save for this particular menu. So for example, I'll just head over and add some more for this particular one. And then once I am done with that, head over and click on the save menu right here in order to save the menu that you have just created. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.